Hello everyone, it's me Angel and thank you for watching my channel. Welcome to another brand new video, and for this video I'm gonna be showing you a wedding reception which I took last February, and I did a photo shoot as well for them, wedding photo shoots. It was a request of my best friend, which in exchange of taking care of Lucas, where we went to 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒 concert. She's the one who took care of Lucas. And guys, I just want to show you how weddings here in Dubai for the Filipinos, which is away from the family. So what they will do is they will have a wedding ceremony at a consulate here in Dubai. By the way, if you want to see how I created this makeup, then I will link somewhere in this video. And guys, what I did is I know this couple, and she's a good friend. And they are good friends of my best friend. So they got married with the date February 2020, where a lot of couples requested this date because this is a very different date. It's very special, you know, 2020. And yes, I did the makeup of the sponsors and also some of my friends there, which I'm gonna show you the pictures. I am the only one who covered the wedding reception, from the video and to the photos. This is my first time to do events for wedding. I haven't done this before. So what I told them is, please don't expect that much for the video. My main focus is on the photos, which I delivered, and they were happy of the results. And also I'm gonna be showing you some of their photos. That's my very good shots. And if you want to see of my photography, you may visit my Facebook page. It's the same name as my YouTube channel. It's 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒. And you may also visit my website. I have a lot of travel photos there, and portraits, landscapes, and cityscapes, a lot of photos. www.𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒.com. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see more of my videos. Alright guys, and here it is!
I love you so much, I love.
Ang narinig natin yan lang, hindi ka maglaloko si...
Go, muna gini.
Ayaw na pagdugay-dugay, pagdalignag-anitay. Ganahan ko kitang doa, diring mo paway.
And sponsors, you are here not simply to take videos or put the wedding on Facebook Live. You are here for the more glorious and noble purpose of bearing testimony
new year in Dubai, so 1 year. Actually, I'm not into fitness before. Since last year, my boyfriend forced me to join, to do something like she's never been before. So
ang akong advice ni Lionel, Sakta lang in town si Verly. Kay sometimes, yeah, that's true. Men are from...
No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue.
Strong in any adversity, and to treasure and to protect the joy of marriage.
The song is for you.
Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hope you enjoyed the photos, guys. If you are here in Dubai, you may contact me on my Facebook page. So yeah, from makeup, video, photos, I did it all for like hours because I'm very used to doing like hardcore task. It's my passion. I really love doing it. In the winter times here in Dubai, you may contact me because it's gonna be summer soon, so it's not really fun to do photo shoots outside. And yeah, guys, you may contact me in winter times. It's very perfect to do photo shoots outside here in Dubai. There are a lot of tourist spots, a very nice place to have a picture with as the background. It was a busy day. It was a fun day. You know, it was my first time to see wedding at the consulate. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching the Dubai wedding, my Kabayan Dubai wedding. See you in the next one. Bye!